wanted to go and see The Incredibles, so he was like, I'll take him. So I think he secretly wanted to go there,
Yeah.
but didn't want to admit
Didn't
it,
want to say it, yeah.
blaming it on Ryan.
Yeah. Wow! Slow it down, be careful of him.
What's that?
Gee whiz. Having a fucking laugh.
Have a look at this sign on the left. And now look at the car in the distance blatantly go through the red light.
You've got the Central Islands in the bag, that's all okay. Not a problem. No worries. Look at the green men on. Yeah, people could walk across there, people could walk across there. This is quite interesting as well. We're talking about crossings, but the taxi and that one just decide to just go straight through on red.
Yeah. He's obviously thought that, oh, the taxi's gone, must be safe.
Exactly.
Taxi driver wouldn't make a mistake.
Yep. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Turn right out, please. Why is the signal maybe a little touch early? Okay, what position are you going to take him? Good. Who's oncoming? Look all the way up the other end of that road. Is she just going through that red light? Yeah, I think she is, isn't she? Okay, sound. Well done, Jess.
That's why I kind of paused. I was like,
What is she doing?
Yeah.
She don't think she'd realised her lights had changed, has she?
no, be aware of that.
Yeah, we're not wrong. Seriously. Listen to him as well.
How many people have been killed at this junction?
Disgraceful.
What's happened here?
Can't they just do the drain? Can't do it, can't they, through the day down
That's
here?
it, down the wrong way, down a one-way street, mate.
Dear me.
Watch the oncoming vehicles closely. This is scary.
What?
Our culprit is just about to come past on the right.
Good shot.
And you can actually spot this one a mile off. Now, as the traffic moves away, look at the space that the van on the right has created in front of him. What does he want to do?
Van driver's amazing. So held everyone else up in the right lane just to then cut in front of the learner to then turn left. Honestly, typical.
For this clip, look at the pavement on the far right side where the pedestrian's walking. Look at the silver car.
I love that fella. Just driven round the pavement to get through the lights to come straight
I've
back on
seen
the
that
road.
on one of your YouTube things.
Yeah, and he's probably getting on the next one with that one as well, mate. He's literally just driven all the way around this corner on the pavement.
Madness.
They are, man.
Yeah.
All I'm doing is just following your
what you
instructions.
said. Yeah. Yeah. So that hill start. Oh, what an idiot.
Shame there couldn't have been a bigger explosion there rather than just a little bit of excess fuel coming out of his exhaust. Shame the car just didn't just go kaboom. Anyway.
So what would you?
Everyone just go ahead, please. We've had them catch squirrels.
Really?
We've had them catch pigeons.
Oh my god.
These people going to cross ahead, are they alright? Should we go or not? Yeah, I agree, yeah, learner's quite slow. Seriously? Teach your kid how to cross, please.
She led that child as well then.
I know she did. Forward, look that way. There, 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 there. Similar sort of process as we do with the mirrors. Okay? Cool. Hold on. Taxi obviously doesn't think the red light is that important. Nor does the cyclist.
Real delicious natural cheese. When hunger strikes, you can always rely on Mini Baby Bell to save the day.
Mini Baby Bell, saving snack time.
Capital's Graham Smith raises him music stars.
For any customers. Hey, what's the score?
Luckily, he's not counting the cash you can win this week.
Listen from 4 p.m. to win £250. Thanks to Stu.
Here's the star of our clip. She's just come out the sunbed shop. I have seen worse than what she does next, but she still shouldn't have. Then only a few minutes up the road, we catch her up again. She must be colourblind.
That's all I've done all day is make coffee. I've never tasted it, you know.
Haven't you?
No.
You just put off with the smell of it, or yeah. Sorry. Gee, what's he doing?
No. What was that all about?
Next left, please. Next left. Did you just think that was just funny, just to do that to a learner cat? That was really strange, wasn't it?
Yeah. Completely. You look around the bend.
He might have been, though, you know. Might have been on something or whatever.
That's what he looks like.
Yeah. Anyway. What does it prove to you as well, Karen?
Well, I don't know, because
Proves you can do it.
I
You don't need me.
always wondered why you never talk. I mean, you're silent for a bit, like,
Yeah.
you know.
So remember where we're going at the lights?
Yeah.
Right. Is that lorry just going straight through that?
Yeah, looks like
That's alright, innit? Look at that one as well. Gee whiz. Aren't people amazing? Red light means, don't have to stop, can do what I like. Scary that though, isn't it? So accidents happen.
Have a look at this guy to the left in the Vauxhall Astra. He's actually got his electric shaver and he's having a shave.
Having a shave in the car. Oh, amazing. So what you do on your previous lesson with him is really important.
It is, yeah, it is.
What I'm going to do as well, I'm going to stay near the test centre, Jed.
Yeah.
That lorry's just come out of that one-way street. That's amazing.
I see that all the bloody time. God. Oh yeah, it's another one. Yay!
One way, mate.
Doesn't know, does he?
There's a big sign there as well.
No.
Just
You're not bothered.
no, they're not bothered.
You don't want to go around.
No.
This is deja vu for this stretch of road.
I've done more, and like I said last week, I felt it the way it's
Yeah.
feel better today. I mean, I took stuff away from last week,
Yeah.
but I just don't know. Just struggled last week with the question bit.
Love the way people do that. Overtake the learner just to pull in. Get used to that all the time as well. They are unbelievable.